Hello everyone. I will address today a topic that is addressing a question that I get quite often from customers. They have difficulties to know what neighborhood they are registered in, and they have difficulties to find the way to add a new neighborhood to follows. So when you're logged on your account, you should click on the top right hand side icon of your profile, and you click on this small setting arrow. It will open the settings tab, and you just need to click on the left hand side menu on neighborhoods, and you will see here the neighborhoods you're following. So might not be that many at the very beginning, but you can here unfollow the ones you have by default, but you can also add more. And in order to add more, you click on one of your um, already existing neighborhood. It will open the window such as this one, and you will see a map of your surrounding neighborhoods. You will have here a menu of the recent posts that are attributed to that said neighborhood. Here, for example, we are on my customer settings dashboard, and we can have a look. That's the southeast of Paris, and we can see the menu. We can unfollow here also. We can see the number of neighbors that are allocated to that neighborhood, and the latest post of this week. So you can just click on another neighborhood. This is again very laggy. I will have to change my computer. This is a joke. Anyway, it shall load a new neighborhood, and you will have here, instead of the menu unfollow this neighborhood, a menu that says follow this neighborhood. As soon as you click this, it will add this new neighborhood to your settings. So that is the small tutorial for today. Just keep in mind that part of our automation software, we can work on these neighborhoods, for example, to have a type of auto messaging to the new joining members of Nextdoor. It's a feature that is, I think, quite specific to Nextdoor. Whenever a new member joins a neighborhood, it broadcasts a message, and I don't see much, if not any, companies using this very nice feature, because that gives you the opportunity to just send a hello and welcome message to these new joining members, and that's an opportunity to get a first touch of your potential customers, new neighbors, and say, for example, hey, welcome to the neighborhood. If you have any need for cement repairs on your driveway, for example, just contact us. First, it's just a nice message to say hello. You have some options to send or a virtual gift like a coffee. Oh no, it's confetti, flowers, or cookies. And you see here, for example, nobody welcome that person who joined. So it's a feature that we have in our software that is helping or increasing your reach on potential new prospects. And of course, if that person is not interested in your services at that point, never mind, at least they know who you are. But at a later stage, if they heard about you and received a nice greeting and welcome from your side, from your company, it's always good, because in the future, when you send new messages about your activity, they had already they were in contact with you at this point. So It's a very nice feature. I don't see anybody using it, and that's a shame because it's available. So if you have not implemented it in your business, please do so. If you need automation to do that on autopilot and not spend too much time on Nextdoor and service your customer first, get in touch with us and we can discuss in details your needs and go from there. So wish you a pleasant day again and talk to you soon, maybe tomorrow. Bye bye.